Good morning, kids. Today, shall we learn some block one rhymes? Can we start? 10 little fingers. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 2 little lips to kiss mama good night.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Wave your hands, wave your hands. Listen to the music and wave your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Two little hands, two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Chubby cheeks. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue and lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. I am special. I am special. I am special. Look at me. You will see someone very special. Someone very special. That is me. Yes, it's me.
Fruits for my family. 5 red apples on the tree, 1 for Papa and 4 for me. 5 ripe bananas on the tree, 1 for Mama and 4 for me. 5 ripe mangoes on the tree, 1 for sister and 4 for me. 5 ripe plum on the tree, 1 for brother and 4 for me. 5 ripe pears on the tree, 1 for grandpa and 4 for me. 5 ripe oranges on the tree, 1 for grandma and 4 for me. I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. We are a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? The alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me?
Ding dong bell. Ding dong bell. Kitty's in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to try to drown poor Kitty Cat? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Teddy bear. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school.
Lollipop. I took a hop to the shop to buy my favorite lollipop. See the big stick and a red round top. I'll soon put it in my mouth and finish it plop.
Color red. Red is an apple. Red is an apple. Red is a cherry. Red is a cherry. Red is a rose. Red is a rose. Red is a strawberry. लाल टमाटर लाल लाल हो पका टमाटर गोल गोल है लाल टमाटर खाकर देखो कितना अच्छा लाल लाल तुम बन जाओगे टोपी पहनकर सज जाओगे रोली पोली अप 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 रोली पोली डाउन 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 रोली पोली big big roly poly small small roly poly fast roly poly slow bits of paper lying on the floor makes a place untidy pick them up ऊपर चंदा गोल गोल नीचे धरती गोल गोल मम्मी की रोटी गोल गोल पापा के पैसा गोल गोल हम भी गोल तुम भी गोल सारी दुनिया गोल मटोल shape circle a circle is a shape that goes round a circle is a shape that goes round a circle is a shape that goes round and round a circle is a shape that goes round kitty cat where have you been I have been to London to look at the Queen kitty cat what did you do there I frightened a little mouse under her chair jelly in the bowl wibble wobble jelly in the bowl cookies in the tin shake them up cookies in the tin candles on the cake blow them out candles on the cake
ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಬೇಕು ತೀರ್ಥ ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ ನಿನಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಏಕೆ ಬೇಕು ತಿಂದು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯ ಕಾಯಬೇಕು ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ ಕಳ್ಳ ಬಂದರೇನು ಮಾಡುವೆ ಲಳ್ ಲಳ್ ಬೌ ಎಂದು ಕೂಗಿ ಹೇಳುವೆ. ಜಾಣ ಮರಿ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ತರುವೆನು, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿರುವೆನು.
1 2 ಬಾಳೆಲೆ ಹರಡು. 1 2 ಬಾಳೆಲೆ ಹರಡು. 3 4 ಅನ್ನವ ಹಾಕು. 5 6 ಬೇಳೆಯ ಸಾರು. 7 8 ಪಲ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ದಂಟು. 9 10 ಎಲೆ ಮುದಿರೆತ್ತು. 1 ರಿಂದ 10 ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು, ಊಟದ ಆಟವು ಮುಗಿದಿತ್ತು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.